Hey traders around the globe, if you're outside the US, you might wonder if the vibrant US stock market is within your reach. Well, it absolutely is, and today we're diving into how non-US citizens can actively trade US stocks with ease. Listen, I'm a big patriot. I believe that the American system, especially the American stock market, is the greatest stock market in the world, and I want you guys taking advantage of that. Trading US stocks as a non-US citizen involves using brokers that cater to international clients, allowing you to invest and trade US-based stocks without needing a US visa or residency. This process opened up vast opportunities for US markets to global investors. Listen, to trade US stocks, you'll start by selecting a broker that accepts international clients and supports trading on US exchanges. Next, you'll need to comply with their account setup process, which may include improving your identity and residency. Once set up, you're ready to dive into the world of US stock trading. Now, there's a few important considerations for non-US citizens trading US stocks. There is no citizenship requirement for owning stocks of American companies. Non-US citizens can legally participate in the US stock market. Don't let them fool you. You need to comply with US laws. Foreign owners of US-based assets are subjected to US laws intended to protect US interests. An international stockbroker can assist in ensuring compliance and those regulations. Now, there's going to be some identity verification processes. So post the Patriot Act of 2001, brokerage firms have stringent requirements for verifying customer identities, especially for non-US citizens, just the world we live in. This may include providing additional identification documents such as visa information, a valid social security number, or what's called the W-8BEN form. Now, US companies on foreign exchanges, for investors facing entry barriers, some US companies do list on stocks in foreign exchanges. So like you can trade some of these prominent names in the US market on your local exchange. So don't forget that. It can be a good avenue to investment. Look for brokers that offer comprehensive access to US stocks and have a friendly interface for international traders. Key players include Webull, which offers CFDs, which are contract for differences, not the actual stock, but you can still trade them and they move with the stock. Charles Schwab and Interactive Brokers, these platforms provide various benefits from free stocks to low commission rates tailored to diverse investors' needs. Now, not all firms accept investors from all countries, so it's crucial to confirm beforehand and understand that fees and requirements do apply. Be mindful of fees. Be careful with that, okay? Including commission rates and potential account minimums. International brokers vary in their fee structures and account requirements. So choosing one that aligns with your trading volume and investment capital is crucial, okay? While navigating the US market and understanding the regulatory implications, including tax obligations and reporting requirements in your home country can take some time, international trading can have nuances such as the pattern day trader rule, or actually get you exclusion to the pattern day trader rule. But research these things and know if you're bound for those before you trade these strategies. Now, non-resident foreign nationals of the US are not liable for capital gains tax on investment earnings in the US, which is nice, but still you may be subject to taxes in your home country. Dividends are usually taxed at a flat rate of 30%, but subject to exemptions and or treaties that might lower the rate. There's also taxation of non-US residents, and they are subject to US estate and gift taxation on certain types of US assets at a maximum tax rate of 40%, with an exemption available only for transfers at death. So keep these things in mind. Now, for a streamlined trading experience, consider using Stocks to Trade. Like, you got a lot of homework picking a right broker. What's great about Stocks to Trade doesn't care what broker you use, whether it's US or foreign, and it gives you a standard platform to access those brokers. So it's great. Maybe you end up moving to the US. You still use the same platform. I can't get over it enough. So with real-time platform, real-time data, comprehensive analysis tools, and direct broker integration, makes it easy for international traders to access and analyze US stocks. Explore Stocks to Trade for its exceptional capabilities and cater to both new and seasoned traders. Listen, trading US stocks as a non-US citizen is not only possible, but can be seamless with the right broker and tools like Stocks to Trade. By choosing a broker that aligns with your trading needs and leveraging stocks to trade, you can effectively participate in the vibrant U.S. market from anywhere in the world. Remember, thorough research is a clear part of understanding what regulatory requirements are and the key to successful trading as an international trader. For more tips on international trading and maximizing your trading subscriptions or strategies, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Dive into the world of U.S. stocks with confidence and make your trading goals a reality by liking that video, clicking subscribe, and getting ready. Next, most important, as I mentioned, by using stocks to trade, you have a consistent platform no matter what broker you trade, and we have a fully functional trial available below. Click the link, get access to it, and let's start crushing.